So just like everyone else, I'm also left at a crossroad. But one thing I'm sure of is us trying to appeal to the goodwill of the platforms and BPOs will do more harm because they're already doing the harm. It's not that they'll stop, it's still happening. So I guess we take more of a proactive role rather than wait and see or appeal to the goodwill. I don't think that will take us far. So my input into this is, one, this is a good step, what we've done, and clearly there's many more aspects and angles of this that maybe we need to give time to, and I think that will give us the way forward into what else we may need to consider, looking at policies abroad and whatever. But I think this is a good stand because we know, and John is also saying, we've also tried to appeal to the goodwill of the regulators in this country. And so then, who is still losing? It's the worker. You keep trying to appeal to the government regulators who are supposed to protect the workers. They want to remove themselves either because of ignorance, they don't know what this is, they say, well, we lose money to the multinationals, or they still want to earn in on that, on the digital tax, but won't protect the worker, right? The platforms remove themselves saying, no, we gave enough money to the BPOs. BPOs sometimes are not even locally based here. So then the workers then, and I hope you get my point. Yeah, there's just a lot going on in my head, but.
Sorry.
Before you speak, something I like the definition aspect, because even in the media industry, the union is battling. Who is a freelancer? A freelancer, you can outsource your work to any media house. But some media houses also, they have hired people as freelancers. And you are meant to work in that particular media house 8 to 5, full time. So what is the definition? So whatever you are speaking is not different from what is also happening to the people who are employed. If you speak to my colleagues who are in BBC, currently, let me give an example. Larry Madowo is a CNN correspondent, not employee, correspondent. But he earns more than any correspondent who is in Kenya. Here in Kenya, I would want my brown envelope from you. I'm not joking. If I come to an event like this, I will want you to pay for me. But for him, he can fly anywhere, because he's earning way. Because how the West people define this kind of work is totally different from our market. Totally different. So just in short, looking at the patterns that are at play, we need to look at it from other best practices. And some of the provisions that were in the model, actually all of them are contained within the Employment Act. So it's not like you really want even to be pegged within the contract, but just invoke the Employment Act. The Employment Act stipulates what a worker needs to get from the employer: leave days, off days, the holidays, unless otherwise stated, unless otherwise. But it is something that I think some of the provision, just look at what the Employment Act says, and then just you can just say our laws in Kenya apply as per the Employment Act, because it's there. But again, it has to be. For me, I usually say in Kenya we have 5 laws that govern employment. 5 of them. Some are a bit old. This year I saw the occupational health safety camp for public participation, etc. But there are many of them. So it's just to look at what speaks to. Anyway, I have seen your head shake, but that was just me.
Employment Act is for employees only.
Yeah, it is. And that's why I started and said I like the the workaround definition. It's a battle amongst so many people. Because it's even where we sit, those people who say they are employed, they're either consultants, and what does even a consultant mean? They'll not pay for everything that is your right. So, for me, we can work on the definitions, as Wambui also said, and the definition, so that once we get it right, it will speak to the proposals that have been shared. That's how I'm thinking.
I think we're out of time.
I see more hands.
We're out of time. I'm seeing the security guards at the back. So for the rest, for any other comments or feedback, maybe you can discuss later, or if you want to leave footprint of your comments, we can give you an email where you can write all the comments and share with us. Yes, we'll share the document with you, and then you can do a comprehensive, you can write a comprehensive feedback. Thank you.